What's up guys, I'm gonna show you how to use your phone as a webcam if you don't have a webcam and use it in Omegle. First, search for Webcam. Choose Windows version. I have already downloaded, so I don't have to download it again. Cancel. Click setup. Run. Next. Finish. Then we will go to the phone to download the Webcam app. Search on Google Play Webcam and install it. Open it at once after installing, and it will work automatically. Press allow, and as you see, boom, it works. So let's go to the PC again. And don't forget to go to setting and mark this if you have another microphone, because it will be too loud if you used two microphones, and let's go to Omegle to test if it works or no. And boom, as you see, it works. And see you later guys.